So we've just finished doing all of the tiles up to the end. And we need to split one of the tiles in half, and if this works out well, then we'll be doing the other bits there, the triangle bits in the middle. So I've never done this before, so I'm hoping it works. And I fortunately have a nice neighbor who has lots of tools, and he has lent me a chisel like this and a special kind of hammer that takes all of the weight. Now when I was watching on YouTube, they said don't hit it with this side, hit it with this side here, so I'm going to try it like that and see. Apparently that's supposed to distribute the weight properly. And they also said not to do it on a cement surface. So I've still got the pallets here from the bags of gravel, and I thought it would be a good idea to go ahead and do it on here so it absorbs some of the shock. Otherwise it might split everywhere. So what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to draw a line, which we've done already, all the way around, and then I'm supposed to just chisel just a tiny bit all the way around one time, so we've got a little bit of a mark. It's kind of like when I cut glass, you have to have a ridge, and so when you're hitting it, all the vibrations will go back to that ridge, otherwise it could split off in any direction. So I'm just going to wear some safety goggles here, and I'm just going to give a little tap, try and keeping it on that line each time. So that wasn't flat there, so I'm going to do it here too. And I can feel it vibrating through this pallet. I might not be hitting it hard enough, so we'll have a look and see. It'll be interesting to see if this works. Turn it. So I'm just going to hit it here as well. This is important. Let's try that again. I think I need to do it here because I wasn't in the right spot. So each one of these weighs 22 kilos, and hopefully this, we've got a nice obvious ridge in the middle. That was convenient, and we're lucky because we think we can get half is exactly what we need. So I'm just going to go over it again. A little bit harder this time. I can see why I need safety glasses, because there is some chips coming off of it. There we go. And I would say that that is very successful. Woo! I am pretty proud of that. Look at that. What do you think? Alright, so now we have prepared the triangle shape. We have no idea if this is going to work as well as it did when it was straight, because we've got these ridges in the tiles themselves. But we'll give it a try. We'll do the same thing we did before and see if we can get it to go in. So here we go. So again, I'm going to use the side of the hammer on this. Now this is going to be hard to do because I'm going to have to turn it on its side. Well, actually, that's okay. I can do that. There. Okay. Oof. They're very heavy. But each one is 22 kilos. Remember that. The last piece. Yay! Here's what we finished so far. It's not completely finished. We're going to fill in this gravel and the corners around the side, get everything ready. But it's looking pretty good. We tried to cut the best we could. First time triers, not bad. We'll fill that in with gravel as well. And it goes all the way up to here. Looks good. 10 meters, 1 meter width.